Meron ka ba mga properties na napabayaan mo na? Kasi out of the country ka, busy ka, wala magmamanage, nag-invest ka pero naging dead investment kasi nabubulok lang siya at nasisira na siya dahil sa haba ng panahon na walang nakatira sa kanya. By the way, I'm Bernadette Vicencio, your leasing property manager. For almost 3 years, I've been doing this, managing the properties of my clients. We focus on managing rental properties and its day to day operation. This includes marketing the for lease properties and the documentation, coordinating with the potential clients, negotiation, collecting rents,